It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day. Alabama's weather will be dry today, a very dry air mass in place. Next chance of rain about the time the weekend begins, but this time, probably not much rain at all. Here's the upper air look this morning. It's a zonal flow. And again, a very dry air mass in place. Pretty chilly to start the day. A few spots are at or below freezing over the northern half of the state. Looks like the cold spot is Aniana. They've got 27. Mid-30s for Montgomery, Birmingham, Huntsville. Upper 30s for Mobile and Dothan. We're expecting highs in the 60s today. Dry air heats and cools very efficiently. Here's a look at the watch warning map around the nation. We've got winter weather advisories in scattered pockets up north. A few counties under winter storm warnings. And again, for Alabama, where you see the green lines on that map, that represents river flood warnings, including the Tombigbee and the Alabama rivers down in southwest Alabama. And that flash flood watch below Memphis, that involves potential for the failure of an earthen dam. They've done this with the last event, and they've done it with this rain event. But again, obviously, we have no rain expected for the next couple of days. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country today. Same thing tomorrow. And then Friday, maybe some thunder over Arkansas and some of the adjacent states, but certainly there is no chance of severe storms, at least for the next 7 days. Here's the updated 7-day rain outlook from NOAA's WPC Weather Prediction Center, and the numbers are coming down across Alabama, just not much at all. In fact, that this forecast verifies places like Birmingham would not see enough rain to measure. And under 1/2 inch elsewhere, most spots under 1/4 of an inch, and that would be Friday night into Saturday morning. So model fans, here we go. Let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 4. Zonal flow, dry air mass, beautiful day, sunny with highs in the 60s. Same thing tomorrow, lots of sunshine, very pleasant afternoon. And then on Friday, you can see evidence of rain breaking out to the north and west of the state, maybe a few showers creeping into southwest Alabama. That's with a cold front approaching and a surface low in the Gulf of Mexico. And again, at this point, it looks like a fairly light rain event. This is Friday night at midnight. And evidence we'll see some rain for the northern third of the state with that front, but moisture limited, not much rain at all. And again, maybe a few sprinkles for the Gulf Coast. And then by Saturday afternoon, the front is already down to the Gulf Coast, and most of the state is dry. Any showers Saturday afternoon confined to the coastal areas of the state. So, again, we'll mention a chance of some light rain Friday night or Saturday morning, but not much. No severe storms, no heavy rain, no thunder. And now Saturday's going to be colder. It's going to be kind of a blustery day for the northern half of the state. Temperatures will likely hold in the 40s all day with a pretty good north breeze. And then by early Sunday morning, we're expecting lows below freezing. Many spots will be in the 20s for the northern half of the state, 30s for the southern counties. But Sunday will be a sunny day, our first sunny Sunday in a while. And the high Sunday should be in the 50s for most of Alabama, a little below average for this time of the year. Monday, we bounce back with highs in the 60s. Tuesday, a little trough will be swinging through, and that might squeeze out a few sprinkles for the northern half of the state. Nothing more than that. You see that little green splotch there. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 21st. That trough is off the South Atlantic coast. We have a northwest flow aloft, and we are dry, and we are mild. Temperatures by the middle of next week will be close to 70. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 23rd. This particular run of the GFS depicting a pretty cold vortex, upper, low, and trough over the eastern part of North America. And if that's right, that would be kind of chilly and dry for Alabama with the surface front down to the south. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the end of this month. Temperatures, kind of a roller coaster ride, will be in the 60s through Friday. The high Saturday dropping to 47. And by Sunday morning and Monday morning, lows in the upper 20s. But then we bounce right back with highs close to 70 by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And, of course, these numbers for Birmingham, if you're in South Alabama, you could see low to mid-70s by the middle part of next week. And the latest 8 to 14 day guidance, this is for the 21st through the 27th of February. Temperatures a little above average if this forecast works out. And again, we just don't see any sign of really bitterly cold Arctic air for the rest of this month. And by that would get us, down in the teens and highs in the 30s. We're just not seeing that. Although Saturday will be fairly chilly. So Nakalula Falls yesterday, roaring with all the rain we had Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Again, just everybody had rain amounts for the northern half of the state between 2 and 5 inches. Down around Dothan, the southeastern counties, some spots had over 5 inches of rain. And the same system that brought the rain here brought the snow to parts of New England. This was the campus of Yale University up in Connecticut yesterday. You got to have a little fun out there in the snow. Come on. That was awfully pretty. Beautiful sunset last night. How about a little wedding proposal there? That was taken from the lodge at Lake Gunnersville last night. Pretty impressive shot of that crescent moon in the sky last night. And speaking of the moon, there's a nice shot from Panama City Beach. And before you know it, the spring breakers will be there. Spring's getting close. It's coming, but understand we've got some winter left. Headed to Gadsden today. Highland School up right above Gadsden up on the mountain. That'll be a lot of fun. Then tomorrow going to Fairview Middle School, home of the Aggies in Cullman County. And then after that, we'll be at Oak Grove Elementary School out in West Jefferson County. Friday, it is Oak Mountain Elementary School in Shelby County. Saturday, got an event I'll be attending on the University of Alabama campus Saturday morning. No book signing Saturday. Then Saturday evening, I'll be hosting the Hoover High Senior Beauty Walk. I've been doing that thing for over 20 years. That's down at the Alabama Theater. That'll be a lot of fun. Of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That invitation is always there. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.